Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to integrate Mailchimp with WordPress so you can manage your email marketing directly from your website. Let's dive right in. First, you need to either sign up or log in to your Mailchimp account. If you're new to Mailchimp, head over to their website and create an account. It's a simple process where you'll need to provide an email address, choose a username, and set a password. Once you've done that, make sure to check your email to confirm your new Mailchimp account. They might ask you for some basic information like your website URL and the type of business you run, which helps tailor the experience to fit your needs. Next, let's move on to your WordPress site and get the Mailchimp for WordPress plugin installed. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. From there, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Plugins. Then select Add New. In the search bar, type Mailchimp for WordPress. Once you find it, click Install Now. When the installation is finished, click Activate to enable the plugin. With the plugin activated, we're ready to connect it to your Mailchimp account. Now let's get the API key from Mailchimp, which is necessary for linking the two platforms. Head back to your Mailchimp account and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, go to Account. Then navigate to Extras and click on API Keys. If you don't already have an API key listed there, simply click on Create a Key. Once generated, you'll see a long string of characters. This is your API key, so be sure to copy it carefully. Now, go back to your WordPress admin area and find the Mailchimp for WP plugin settings. You'll see a field specifically for your API key. This is where you paste the key you just copied from Mailchimp. After pasting, make sure to save the changes. This will link your WordPress site to your Mailchimp account, allowing you to manage subscriptions, create sign-up forms, and more directly from your WordPress dashboard. That's it. You've successfully connected Mailchimp to WordPress and streamlined your email marketing setup. If this guide helped you, feel free to share it with others who might need it, and stay tuned for more practical tutorials.